guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully everybody out there's having a great week, summer, month. This video is going to just be, camera just moved on me. This video is going to be one of our better finds for this year. I don't want to say better video, but what I'm about to show you in this video, I've always wanted to find one. Finally did. I really wish I was filming, but I'm going to get to that why I wasn't here in a second. Guys, if it's your first time here, welcome. Hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that thumbs up, and maybe even share the video too. But back to why I wasn't filming. Guys, we just got back from vacation, and we went out, and we decided to hit up some yard sales before we had to do some running. And we got to the yard sales, and realized that this camera and also my GoPro was dead. I never charged them after we got back from vacation, so that is all on me. So I thought, you know what, the way yard sales have been going here, which I'm not sure if they're the same where you're at, yard sales here have been awful. That is why we haven't put any yard sale videos out. We go to yard sales, we don't find anything, so there's no point in filming to show you nothing. I'm not even 100% sure why it's so bad. Maybe it's because I'm not picking up stuff just to pick up stuff to make a video, but we're being very selective on stuff now that we buy. Now, maybe a couple things I bought today, maybe I shouldn't have, but the prices were kind of right, and I think, in my mind, that I can make a quick flip. So, let's show you these items. This first item, we love selling it. We sold it in the past. We even have some listed on eBay right now. We just haven't got the right offer yet. But, we picked up 36 sets of Color Street nails. Guys, Color Street nails sell. I know a ton of people that sell them. My wife used to sell them, and tons of people love to buy them. So if you guys ever see these nails out there, pick them up. They usually sell really well, especially if you can get them at the correct price. Brand new, these nails go anywhere from $9 to about $15 a set. We picked all these sets up for $1 each. So we paid about 30, I think they ended up charging me 34 bucks. So we're into it for about $1 a set. Now I may lot all these up, I may sell them individually. I'm just not 100% sure how I'm gonna do that yet. So we'll see how it goes. The next thing we picked up was Apple watch bands for $2. This is like more of like a tannish, I would say, right here, brand new. These don't sell for much, maybe $9, but this color does seem to sell okay. So for $2, I was happy to pick it up. But I also picked up another item with this one and made the lady happy because they honestly were not busy at all that day. But the other item I bought from this lady was a brick. You're probably thinking, why would you buy a brick? Well, it's a pretty cool brick. It is the Steelers brick, and it is the bad call brick. So while you're sitting there watching the Steeler game or any game, and there's a bad call by the refs, you could throw this at your TV, and guess what? You're not going to break it. And maybe I should throw this too whenever I don't get any deals. Oh, came right back at me. But there you go. So yeah, bad call brick for $2. I may list this thing to see if it does sell, but if it doesn't, I will keep this and probably have some fun with it during a Steeler game. So this next item, you guys know we love them. You guys know we use them. They're mostly all our videos, except for this one until now. But we love Yetis. And we don't find too much Yeti stuff at yard sales that much. Once in a while we find something. Last year at a community sale we found a Yeti, brought it home, realized that it was etched with the company logo. Well, we ended up selling that at our yard sale. Today, found this Yeti right here. Nice little stainless steel for $1. Got to the car, showed my wife, was all happy, and she goes, hey, did you see that logo on the side? Nope, missed this one again. So this is somehow, second time, I've missed it. But this one has the Upper St. Clair, which is a local high school. It has their logo right there. I mean, for $1, I might list it for $6. And honestly, I'll make something on it, but probably not as much as I would without the logo on it. We picked up a purse. This is a concealed carry purse, which a lot of people look for these. And to find something like this brand new, I don't think we're gonna have a problem selling it. Has a nice pouch in there to put your firearm, and it actually also came with a holster, which the lady had in there. So, kind of cool with this. It's about $70 brand new, which this one is brand new. We picked it up for $10. Figured take a shot on it, and I have a feeling this will not stick around long. Let's get into the fun stuff. The reason why you're probably here after reading the title, because, yeah, let's just show you. So the last sale of the day we stopped at had a bunch of Christmas decorations, Halloween decorations, every single holiday decoration you can think of. And we looked it over. I thought to myself, there's nothing here. Looked around some more, decided to go back and check the Halloween stuff. And I'm glad I did, because I did find some Halloween costumes that I think will sell pretty well here coming up. We are getting closer to Halloween, and everybody's always looking for some costumes. So let's show you what I got. First off was these 5 masks. These are all brand new. We paid anywhere from 50 cents to 10 cents. 50 cents and 10 cents. I'm not sure why they all just went 50 cents or 10 cents. We picked up this one, this old mask here, brand new. Got a mummy mask. Crazy looking mask there. Cool witch mask and a cool Dracula mask. So grand total of $1.70 for those 5 masks. Now they might sell anywhere from $5 to $10, but I don't think these will stay here alone either. These next 3 masks are where it's at, and I told my wife. She bought some picture frames. She wanted me to negotiate a deal on these picture frames. Once I found these one of the next items, I couldn't negotiate. I just wanted to get out of there pretty much as fast as I could. I was kind of speechless, and I just paid them, especially for the price I picked it up at. So let's get to these ones. First up, this vintage Scream mask. This is one of those glow-in-the-dark masks. This is kind of like the squiggly face here. This one goes from anywhere from 20 to 30 bucks. It is in really good shape though. This one does have a little bit of red on it. Not sure why, but everything looks great on it. The inside looks good. Nothing is dry rotted. And we paid 50 cents. I'm not sure if it's going to pick up on there, but we paid 50 cents for that one. So really good. If it can go for 20 to 30 bucks, it pretty much pays for most of the stuff we got that day. We also found another Scream mask. This one is more of the skeleton face. This is also glow in the dark, and we paid 50 cents for this one. This one's in pretty good shape. Minor, you could just see minor use on it. Normal usage for these masks. And this one also goes for about $30 also. So last but not least, guys, this is the one that just completely blew me away. I see people picking them up all the time. They post about them, and you think you're never going to find one. Finally did. So let's show you this. Guys, we got a vintage Scream Generation 1 glow-in-the-dark mask. All for a grand total of 50 cents. This mask ranges anywhere from $300 to $1,000, depending on, I guess, I'm not even 100% sure what it's depending on. There's one listed right now for $999. That is the only current one listed of the glow-in-the-dark masks. I'm going to show you up on the screen. I'm going to give myself some room over here. Some of the completed listings that these masks have sold for. It does range from anywhere from $300 to, like I said, about $1,000. Not 100% sure I'm going to price this at. Halloween is coming up, and maybe even a collector will pick one up. But super stoked to find this. This deal didn't make me scream because I didn't want to draw attention, and for 50 cents, I was super happy to finally find one of these. So guys, that was the haul from these 2 multi-family yard sales that we stopped at. I wish I could have got you some footage. Next time I will have the camera charged. We were actually waiting for a new book bag to come in for the GoPro to go up on, because the book bag I have, it actually ripped on us. It was an older book bag, and when we took it on vacation, it finally met its end, and we left it on vacation because it was going in the trash. So waiting for the new book bag to come in. That way we can get you guys some footage. Hope to have some what sold videos up for you in the near future, and start a tradition doing those just to show you what we have sold over the past month, couple weeks, however long. We also have some videos coming up from our vacation. We spent a week down at Disney World in Florida, had a blast. We'll have a couple videos coming out for that, some shorts and stuff like that. So stay tuned for some fun stuff, and we'll see you next time, guys. Bye.